Since 2016, myfloridagreen has been servicing the Melbourne, Florida community. We've documented incredible progress with patient access to medical marijuana. Patients with access are improving their quality of life by improving their sleep, lowering their anxiety, and even reducing the need for prescribed medications with harmful side effects. At myfloridagreen, we believe that patient education, as well as unrestricted access, are key components for successful outcomes. A certifying physician is also needed per Florida state law. Samit Chandra is a world-renowned cancer doctor who is the myfloridagreen certifying physician here in Melbourne, Florida. myfloridagreen has built the only state-compliant patient management platform which streamlines the entire medical marijuana process for both the patient and the certifying physician. Our patient-facing app will enable you to track your progress, locate dispensaries through geofence technology, monitor your progress with our patient diary, communicate with your registered practice so you can stay up to date with your state-required follow-ups. We welcome you to click Get Started and follow the step-by-step process as we welcome you to the myfloridagreen family.